Independence Day is here, and what better way to celebrate than with desserts that match the spirit of our Tiranga. Today we're bringing you 3 delicious recipes: Tricolour Laddu, Tricolour Phirni and Tricolour Fruit Cake that are as tasty as they sound. Let's get started. First up, a soft and sweet Tricolour Laddu. For this, grind paneer into a smooth paste. Add sugar, milk powder and a dash of kevra essence. Cook this mixture till it thickens. Now divide it into 3 equal parts. Mix kesari food color in one part, pista powder in another and keep the third part plain. Now roll into beautiful laddus and just look at that color pop. Next, a creamy and chilled Tricolour Phirni. For this, in a heavy bottom saucepan, add milk with green cardamom and simmer till it reduces to about 70%. Now add rice powder. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. After 10 minutes, add sugar, grated khoya and kevra water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. Now divide it into 3 parts. Add saffron to one, khas syrup to another and keep one plain. Now cool completely, then layer them in glasses to create our Tiranga look. Garnish with nuts and saffron and serve chilled. This is perfect for an after-meal treat on a warm August afternoon. And now the grand finale, our gorgeous Tricolour Fruit Cake. For this, in a bowl, whisk powdered sugar and oil until the sugar melts. Now add vanilla essence and curd and whisk again. Now sieve all dry ingredients into the wet mixture, then fold gently. Add milk as needed for a semi-thick batter. Now grease your cake tin, line with parchment and pour in the batter. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Cool completely, then frost with buttercream and garnish with fresh fruits in saffron, white and green shades. So there you have it, 3 tricolour treats for a truly sweet Independence Day. Celebrate freedom, celebrate unity and celebrate with flavor. Happy Independence Day. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.